You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, Kicker, X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Denver Cubs, Gerardo ID, Rudy, Juan, Richard, Cranberry, Ocean Grove, D Biggs, Paul Yoon, Kaz, Alpha Dredge, Punisher, Michael, Mike, Ferrari, Phil, July Peppers, Jay Prowse, Justin. Good morning to you. Bear Goes Long, RL, Zona Matt, Hockey Shane, Uncle Mark, Jay Loosh. More to Nigel. What's up, Mitch to the Max? Carter, Nathan Nader, Rule 1 Investor, Day Trader Rick, Marine, Linda Quicksand, Chuck. Good morning to you. Bullets, Pruitt was cracking, Mr. Dave Matthews. What is going down, people? Well, I'll tell you one thing that's going down. That's the triple Qs. The NASDAQ is going down, to get down, to get down. It's insane. See if we can catch a little Schmeckleberry in alpha here. What do we have? MNQ going? I don't even know if I need MNQ for these things. I'm going to try a short here. Since we are just continually and rapidly breaking down a lot of these areas of price. There will probably be a bounce soon. I want to layer into that bounce as well. See what we got here. If we break down 920, that should be extremely violent here. Let's see. We're at 6780 in the S&Ps as well. So I'm looking for continued violence here to the downside. See if we can get some of that through that 920 area. These are alpha futures evals. I want to see that 920 start to really crack and fade and pop. 920 currently the line in the sand here. See if we can get right on through it on this little PNC. Should be able to crack it. That could be the first bounce area too. This music is sneaky. Man, they just are messing with my emotions at this 920 area. All right, let's see if we can crack that 920 once and for all here. Should be able to. Just give us what we want, NASDAQ. Good Lord. Come on, baby. Give us what we want at the 920 level. My God. 920 being defended for till the end of the earth here. God, it's so frustrating. I hate when they do this shit. The longer we stay at 920, the more that they're going to defend this area. But we should have that clean sweep. This is annoying when they do this shit. Whatever. Reducing down to 1. I have big ideas, big plans, but I can't take another fucking bounce to 940 to my damn face here. It's right because it's the, yeah. All right, whatever. You win, NASDAQ. You win. God. You win. You feel better now? God. Whatever. It's fine. We still made money, but I have bigger ideas. I hate when the NASDAQ, and you know, it's expected because it's right at the top of the hour. You're going to get this top of the hour bullshit, but like, we're probably going to get the 920 draw, no problem, and it'll probably send through 900, but I don't know how many times they're going to bounce this fucking 80 points in your face, so I tried, but you know, it is what it is, baby. Hold on one second, turn this shit on. There we go. It is what it is. We're down here at a whole mess of fucking liquidity, so just one of those frustrating areas because, like, you know, if we were going live like right here, it's just fucking perfectly fine. We'll probably send it through 900 now after all this rigmarole up here. I'm just gonna show you. Now I forget. S&Ps were a lot cleaner. The bounces in the S&Ps were barely anything. Which alpha are we trading in? The most expensive one, the 150Ks, the super duper advanced. 150K advanced. The most expensives. The ones that give us the most Monet. Speaking of Monet, I want to play Le Bounet today again. On stake. Let me see if I can cash out on LucidJet. Ah! No! They introduced a new button. I got really excited. Payout eligibility calculated end of day. Okay, fine, you win. They're just out to get me today. NASDAQ included. Dirty little fuckers. What's up, Top Trade? Flash Golden, Jared, Kurt, Mrs. Mr. Sauven or Mrs. D-Trades, what's up? Took a nice little snack on the 1,000-point bounce to the figgity face, so I'm just going to take the points that I get. You get too greedy with NASDAQ and it just smacks you in the jaw. So I would have preferred to start my morning with like $8,000 in profit, but I was sizing up for it. But the NASDAQ has other plans. I still think we're going to go down. We're going to drop the floor out. It's just, got to wait for the bounces. We're on to the blues right now. The Red Bull Blues. Oh, get through these bad doggers and then we're on to Celsius Ghost and whatever that company is that sent me shit. Liquid Death. Another eval pass. That's my guy right there. Let's go, Rudy. Give it up for Rudy. Rudy. Well, let's pitch and catch. Is this your first stream, Danny? Isn't Liquid Death just water? Nope. Napes. I got greedy yesterday. It was up 580 in the pre-market. Blew the account during the market open. Holy tilt greed. Hey, you know, you got to go through that to learn it. Not your first day here? I mean, we damn near talk about pitch and catch every single stream, so I'd be shocked. What's up, Big Hal? What do we got today? We got a 30-year, don't we? No, we got a 3-year. I don't know, 30 years on Thursday? No, 30 years tomorrow. Oh, Thursday, I was right. Nah. Let's see where this bounce leads us. Richard Harris in the building. What's up, baby? What's cracking, my guy? We might be doing some crazy filming on Thursday. Speaking of Thursday, I'll let y'all know. watching on this wind up here. God, what's in my throat? I'm back short. I want to see a nice big exchange like at 40 or 45, and then I can really add in this. Adding here. Looking for the breakdown of 25. $40 or 45, I can go crazy into this thing. It's just dancing and flirting with that 25 break. Some trading music right here. Looking for ads at 40 or 45. S&Ps are weak too. We just have to break down 25 for this thing to roll. Tippy top of the volume shelf is 40. So watching here. Oven's done. Adding one right there. $25 to the downside is the break. $25. 25, 25, 25. It's dancing at 25. Might try a little mid-range reduction here. Pop to 40, back to 25. Peel type shit. Watching 25. ADP weekly employment change out a minute late. $15,500 is the number. There's your 25 snapper. Snapper and a dinger. Snapper and a dinger. Snap, snap, dinger. And a snapper and a dinger. Watching 20 now. Peeling off one. Peeled off another.
Another one.
Yeah. Talk to him, DJ. And out the rest. Whee! PNC. That was a good song for it, too. That was the pitch and catch song. Me likey. That's a 20 handle candle Randall right there. What's up, Haas Nuts? What you doing just falling for the first time over there? These are like, I don't know why when we get into trading trenches, the music just switches up to this kind of shit. Does Apex charge for activation fees? They do. If you're doing an intraday drawdown account, it's $75 to activate. If you're doing a end of day drawdown, it is $99 hairs. Anybody still holding? A little bit of a runner. You can do that if you want, you know, get a little run ski in there, a little runaire. Somebody did get their first payout from Apex, or approved by Apex, and it was requested and approved within 5 minutes. I'm curious how long it'll take them to send it. Any poker games you can play this month? Not sure yet. I'll keep you posted. We are filming something on Thursday. Okay, turning up the music for you. My lucid payout yesterday took no more than 30 minutes. That seems slow, actually. That's on the slower end, to be honest. Maybe you pissed them off. There she goes. She's rolling. Oh, yeah. Red Bulls are kicking in. Fucking yes. You tell him. Tell him, Bishop. Tell him. Have you listened to lo-fi jazz? I feel like that's what we got on right now. Was in my account so quick? I mean, bro, it should be like less than 30 minutes, Douglas. Douglas McAllister. Oh my God, is the Botrix thing not working again? Oh God. All right, let me get Botrix working again. I don't understand, Botrix. Why do you do this to us? This was happening last night too, because of the whole giveaways thing. It's so weird. Is there a basic course you have? Napes, you're in it right now. All my videos on my YouTube, they're all free, buddy. Everything's free. Free, freaking free, 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 free! God, why does it do this every fucking time? I gotta try to fix this. Super fucking annoying, man. right, I'm just trying to get this fucking fixed so we can do another giveaway today. Theodore's is taking a bath right now. We'll be back soon. Give me a second here. YouTube Premium is the best money you'll ever spend. I think so too. I mean, it's so cheap. What is it, like $10 a month? It's a joke how cheap that shit is. It's so cheap. It's ridiculously cheap. Alright, Botrix is looking into this shit for me. I'll never understand why this shit just breaks, dude. Super fucking annoying. Doom, 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 doom. This is setting up pretty nice here. I missed it, but I'm sure a lot of you folks got it. Whee! Just bear with me. Once I get this fixed, we're going to be off to the races. What's up, Danielle? How are you? What's cracking? Doom, 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 doom. Okay, they fixed it. There we go. Lord have mercy. Okay, we're back, baby. Giveaways will work. We are golden, like a shower. All right. Okie dokie. Nice little PNC up here underneath 950. It is kind of holding down here though, so I want to lay out. I want to lay off. Meta is kind of, you know, just kind of meh. Only the best for me and my crew. How about you? I mean, you know how we do. Boom, boom, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, boom, boom, boom. WSOP cash game streets are thin this morning. Can't believe you're playing that. That's a bunch of nonsense. Wow, look at this thing rolling now. Damn, son. What a sick PNC that is. Somebody had to get that. Alpha says coming to Vegas for a club of fitting. Club fitting. I was like, nightclub fitting? Nightclub fit. Oh yeah, golf. That's a thing. Club fitting next what? Wife wants Nobu. Worth it. There's so many things that are better than Nobu. If you're gonna do Nobu, do the omakase. If you're doing the Nobu, do the one at Caesars. Do Nobu at Caesars and do the omakase. But I mean, you know, brother. Damn, look at this pitch and catch. I'm fucking dealing with chat support instead of. That was fucking beautiful if you caught that. Good Lord. Who caught it? Drop a W in chat if you made it rain. That was fucking perfect, man. 45 down to 5. That's a 40 handle. Good Lord. Bottom of the hour, dip and roll, tuck and suck. I don't know. Yeah. God, that was the best one. We missed it, or I missed it. You guys didn't. You guys all got it. The old tuck and suck. Still running. I love it. Running like a track star. Underneath 900 now. This thing really wants to sit here at 900 and tickle. Okay. All right, Ripsmod. What do you need, Ripsmod? Ripsmod says, since listening to you, Rips, my P&L has grown 3 sizes with a nice curve. Nice, man. Thanks, Ripsmod. Really appreciate it. I needed to hear that right here and now. Thank you so much. Incredible. Good job. The person is literally like trolling, first of all. Second of all, we're about to look for a trade, dumbass. God. Ripsmod not only shows up 5 minutes late to the stream, but then posts me somebody who's half trolling in something. Oh, my P&L's grown 3 sizes. Let's get him to read this. And then Ripsmod's such a dumbass this morning. They're like, this is a real person. God bless. Ribs, can you explain how you spot where the apex of the pitch and catch will form based on liquidity in the current order book? It's a mix of all of those things, brother. Look left, first of all. Second of all, look for takeout points. Look for velocity to exchange differently. Look for velocity to slow down. Look for offers or bids to firm up. That's what I would say. Yeah, Ripsmod is an acquired taste. I'll say that right now. Ripsmod very much an acquired taste, especially on a Tuesday. Well, we missed the reflex trade. I wanted to long that 900, but I missed it. I need to see if I can turn down the Kick AI mod. It's such a little pussy. Okay, let me see. Can I turn down... Community chat. Where's the AI mod? Moderation, there it is. Unfiltered, minimal, unfiltered. Dude, This is literally at minimal. Well, it's already set to minimal, so I don't know. Danny, I would recommend watching my YouTube long form content. There's about 16 videos on the pitch and catch. I would start there. Yo, Rule 1 Investor, 8 months. Thank you for being here. Cool. Bum, 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 bum. Boss, can you tell me from where to start watching your pitch and catch videos? I mean, from which order? We'll create a playlist for that. Let me see. Can you make a playlist for P and C? We might have already had one. Let me see. No, we have book map and order flow, trading psychology, trading Q&A, and trading strategy breakdowns. Thank you. All right, it's coming right now. It's cooking. Yeah, we could do that for sure. Points gamble, let's do it. By the way, we'll talk about this in a second. Hold on. Oh, what time is it? Music is significantly better today, by the way. Okay, 5 minutes. Ready, go. Can you watch the videos for me and then tell me how to do it? And then it's gonna be, can you just press the buttons for me? Can you just call it out when you see it? And then just press the buttons. The buttons. The buttons. All right, let's see if we reject underneath the 50s still here. That was a nice pull up from the lower 920 area. All right, I'm back short. I want to add if we touch 950, especially since we're underneath 85 in the S&Ps. Looking for the breakdown of 30s to the downside here. But we should start to collect some liquidity up towards these 50s. Adding right here. Looking for the break of 30s. Watching for that snap into those 30s. We are having a temporary double bottom in the structure, so that means looking for an added to pounce back up if we get it. Right now we got 2 contracts on. 2 little contracts. Watching on this bounce. Looking for an add. We're looking for a break at the 1 hour mid on the more technical chart. Okay, adding right here. Nice add. Up towards that 50 level. Looking for that sweep back below of 940 where there's 22 contracts. Using that 50 as our backstop. Looking for that snap and roll underneath 40s. Some liquidity at 45. We're starting to snap into it. There's a bidder there at 45. If we break that bid at 45, it will snap straight through those 40s. Hold at 45s here. Looking for that 40 snap. There's your 40s. Tickle, 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 tickle. Taking off a little bit there. We got 3 more contracts on. 1 more out. And stops at 45. And we're out. Cool. Sweet. If you ever want to know whether I'm long or short, you can look at the position. If the position says negative, not in dollars, but position right here where it says 0. If it says negative, it means I'm short. I'm selling short. If it's a positive number, it means I'm buying long. It's just that simple. That's it. That's all there is to it. I don't see any W's in chat. What the hell? Where are you guys? Oh, fuck. Nobody's taking this shit. All right. Back to not trading. I don't care. Fuck it. Trading my own time. Nobody cares? Fine. Fuck it. Redbook retail sales, which nobody cares about right now. Let me get you in here, Yaz. We are going to do some giveaways today, as long as the stream remains retard free, which I think it will. You know, it doesn't look like we have any retards in here today. I haven't seen a single one. Show yourselves. Stop hiding in the mist. One of my favorite movies, Retards in the Mist. Epic film. All right, there you go, Yaz. You're all set, buddy. Welcome back to the party. How many contracts you usually trade for the first position depends on where we're at in the structure. Sometimes it's as small as possible. Sometimes I got to get size on there and now. It just depends. Or an Apex Caps fans. You guys are funny. Israel, what's your let me see if you're already in here. I didn't see your claim here, Israel. Are you Soul Israel? Is that you? Israel? Are you Soul Israel? I don't remember if that's you or not. TPT Plus takes 2 days to settle your account. Nobody else has this problem. Are you talking about TPT Pro Plus? Dude, I haven't been in there. I haven't been in a Pro Plus. Unfortunately. I wouldn't know. I thought I was supposed to get my TPT accounts today, but they didn't? Hold on, can I activate? I haven't checked. I have not checked. Looks like Israel's not here. Oh well. If somebody sees Israel in the kick chat, let me know. Do-do-do-do-do-ba-do. Hey Rips, how many prop accounts do you think you've blown whilst you were learning? I didn't start on props, so it's not a valid question. I started trading 12 years ago in real money. I blew up a lot of that money. So the answer is a lot. If I was doing it on props, I don't know. I would have never known. Wait, where's my past prop firms? Oh, past tests. There they are. Haha. It says disabled, but I can't buy it. Well, at least it's passed. That's the good news, I suppose. I don't know. Can't activate it yet. That's weird. Weird. Maybe they're lagging or something, so I don't know. Activation credits usually come in the morning for pro accounts. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Which year did you get flat? 3. Year 3. Passed this morning or last night. I don't know. Brother, here's the problem. I'm not a doctor. I don't know the answer to these questions. I'm just spitballing. I don't fucking know. I'm mentally retarded, man. What's up, Stan? How are you? I'm very stupid. It was after open last night. It'll be tomorrow night. Okay, that makes sense. Tomorrow night. Okay. That seems fair. We'll take it. We will take it. I still got to do my Apex accounts too, now that I think about it. Fuck. We don't know what we're going to trade on though. Quantower, NinjaTrader, Trade08. I still don't know. I wonder if all of those blown accounts are still in my Trade08. I can check that. I had like 15 blown accounts. It's not even like 20 blown accounts. It's very strange how that works. I don't really get it. Who here is trading on Apex? I really want to get back into it. Hey, hold on one second. Let me log in here. Everybody's trading on Apex except for Ripsy. It's so annoying. Okay, let's see. Did they get rid of my accounts in here? I'd be so happy. No, they fucking didn't. God damn it. Fuck. I have one lonely PA in there. Whatever. It's fine. I don't care. I really want to try using Trade08 because yesterday Trade08 was fine. I know I bitch and moan about Trade08 a lot, but like, hey, look it. This is on Trade08. We're doing just fine. I'm having no issues on Trade08. No fill issues, nothing. It's working just perfectly. Damn, if you are long and strong right now, you are catching the business. Who's long right now in this market? Riley says, I saw your Twitter post yesterday. Was that guy on YouTube calling your chart ridiculous, talking about your book map? Yeah, it was some knucklehead on YouTube that was, and they commented on somebody else's shit because somebody else commented, they're like, what is this chart? I'm getting a seizure. And then he comments underneath that person's comment. It's like, I know, right? This guy can't trade worth shit. This is so funny. It's just hilarious. I love people like that. They're so good. Fuck this guy. This is a chart I don't recognize. Must mean they can't trade. That fucker didn't respond back to me either. Oh. For shame. Harrison says, I appreciate your stream. I think your energy is great, and it's nice you switch to just calm commenting while you're working through a trade. Helps. Followed that last one with 2 minis on the... Hey. Goddamn, Harrison. Let's go, baby. Little PNC. We are kind of fighting the uptrend, which is kind of annoying, so I'm relaxing for a minute here. Somebody called out 990s were weak. I think that's a good level, but I mean, look at this. We literally bumped right into that level that we've had drawn for a long time. Tell me it was to the tick, too. Dude, 1 tick. I'm only 1 tick away. Yeah, 1 tick, man. Shit, should have shorted that. Got ourselves 10 puntos. Oh well. Next one. Rips, are those accounts below the minimum? If not, they won't be removed. Yeah, no, they are. No, they've had 2 days of schmeckulations. So, which is, by the way, my favorite Bible to read, the Book of Schmeckulations. Rips mod is only 1 click. Feel like you enjoy watching the market fall? No, not at all. Brother, talk to my long-term portfolio about that. That's why I was like, I was gonna make a comment on Twitter, but then I was like, I don't really care that much about like how everybody was like, "Well, this market's weird." When the market screamed 300 points to the top side in the close yesterday. Was that yesterday? Feels like so long ago. It's a big trade if you took it. You know, it was big if you took that. Yes, yesterday. But like, dude, I mean, I got a long-term portfolio. I got leaps. I love it when that shit happens. Like Nvidia went from like 179 to 182. It's big numbers. Big numbers. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. We're just getting started. All right, we are so back right now. Woo! Look at that that blow off candle into those 90s. Holy schmakes. Holy schmeckalations. A lot of green right now in equities. They're kind of skipping up to the north side here. I don't know how I feel about this. Are we exhausted yet? NQ and CL lined up perfectly for the long on NQ there. NQ held above 950. CL broke below 90. Caught 30 points on the NQ. Let's go, troops. I don't know if there's correlation between crude and NASDAQ, though. Might be, I forget what that's called when your mind sees something that's, I don't know. Whatever. If it works, baby. Keep doing it. Nice. Bearded Banshee. Caught the micro pitch and catch. I love it. Yeah, CL and YM for sure. I don't know about the NASDAQ and crudies. But hey, if it's working, it's working, man. I'm never one to poop on your parade, you know? I'm not a parade pooper. Nor am I a party pooper. There was the first few days of war announcement, but not as strong correlation right now. Gotcha. Hey, if it was working, who am I to say? You know? There's people who trade with the moon phases. The moon phases. Cognitive dissonance. That's the word I was looking for. Big word. Wow, look at this thing. Piggity popping. Is looking for that 25,000. Oh man, you channel points gamblers all thought the under was good. You got fucked. You guys are, wait, hold on. Yeah, you guys are fucked. I thought I might have put it in 25 by accident. When is the RIPS moon phase indicator coming out? Soon. Let me see. What is the moon? By the way, I'm so happy right now because the weather is so good now. It's going to be 78 degrees today. I'm going to be in my fucking pool, baby. I'm going to be in my pool, jamming out. Can't wait. Can't wait. I haven't seen a channel point gamble since yesterday, but did I do something wrong? Yep, you sure did. How many people saw the channel points gamble? Is your pool heated? I mean, there's not a single day that goes by where my pool is not heated. I keep it heated year round, baby. Let me see what we're at. Year round for this bitch. Year round, baby. What are we at here? 85 degrees. 85 degrees. Why is it so like blown out with the colors and shit? Anyway, 85, brother. 85 keeps you alive. You at a pool company, what kind of heater do you get? We got a Pentair. A Pentair is a big one. Big one. Is it more of a lounge pool? No, you can do laps in that shit. You can do laps in it. Not salt water. I don't think it's salt water. There's salt in it for sure, but it's not pure salt water. No. We got a salt water system for water softener for all the water in the house. So when you take a shower, it's like you're showering with like very, I don't know how to describe it. Very soft water, which is like slippery, which is weird to say, but if you know, you know. What else was I gonna say? The pool. Oh yeah, the pool. It's the type of pool that's like self-cleaning. It's got the little things that pop up that clean itself all day long. So it's always clean. I use my pool a lot. I'm not one of those people that has a pool that's like never using it. I use my pool year round, baby. I love that shit. I really do. Yeah, velvety. If you've never had a water softener before, come on over, take a shower at my house. Let me film it. Or, you know, the water's very soft. You know, it's just, it feels good. Get your minds out of the gutters for research purposes. Come on. What are you talking about? Rips Island, dude. That's crazy shit, man. Wow, look at this thing going straight down. I was giggling too much. I didn't. Channeling my inner Richard Harris. Giggles. Giggles. Where are you, Richard? You haven't typed giggles all stream. The bubble on your book map looks really large today. Amen. So far, we've had some decent trades. I don't even remember what we started the day with, how much P&L. I think we were up like, I don't even remember, man. Weren't we like up a few $100? We've grown this. We've done well today. 1,200? Really? We started with multiple four figures? Wow. Well, we are rolling over now. That is your juiciest juice in the building right there. Man, look at that thing go. Big rejection from Meta, not so much from Microsoft. Slight rejection underneath VWAP from Nvidia. What an exaggerated move. That NASDAQ is making very exaggerated moves right now. It's kind of crazy. You look just like the Top Step CEO guy? I don't know if I'm so sure about that. I don't think I look like Michael Patak at all. It's because I am. I just bought it. Really? I don't see that at all. Oh, you guys are be nice. Be nice. Just around the stream, yeah. See, Kenny, I had $186. What the fuck are you guys talking about? I had $186. I done traded my balls off. We're up 2,300 now. Come on. I said that on my Instagram story. I was like, we're gonna stream tomorrow morning. We're gonna trade our balls off. The dog looks like Dave Portnoy. I could see that. The price action in the last 15 minutes is why I scalp for 100, 200. Yeah, there you go. Let them know, human. How's your PAs going? Still crushing it? Boo, 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 doo. Skoo, doo, 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 doo. So the most I can make even in these accounts is another $3,600. That's the most I can make. Another $3,600 for an even 6,000. I'm getting horrible fills on wealth charts this week. I just did a market order, got 8-point fill differential. I'm sorry. I was getting the same thing happen to me on Trade Debate last week or yesterday, whenever that was. I don't know. Wait, we got something going here. We got something brewing. Something brewing. Something brewing here. Little 9 a.m. top of the hour. Something brewing. Something fierce here. Some buyers on the tape. Holy. Holy. Dude, the unders and the overs right now are having quite the battle. Somebody's forcibly pushing this thing around. Pitch and catch to the upside. Yes, it is. Look at this thing. This is rattling some cages over here. It's a cage match. All right, I'm gonna try this short here. I want to see this break through these 80s to the downside. I'll cut it quick if we're wrong. Looking for that 80 failure to the downside here. Give it a little chance. Looking for that 80 snap to the downside for a scalp in the green time. See if they want to do it. They're dancing. These are forcible dancers here. These are like halftime dancers. Dancing around that 80s. Yep, drill it. Drill it home to Papa. Give me all you got, baby girl. Let's shake it and drop. And we got filled. Bang. There we go. Nice little, and a little bit of a, yeah, a little bit of a jungle cat too. Nice. What an exit too. The Ripsy reversal fully intact. My God. Good morning to you, SW. Oi, mate. Oi, oi. How we doing? Oi, oi, SW. It's Tuesday, ain't it? Tuesday, have a bit of a pint today. How you doing, man? He's typing. He's furious. Listen, we don't sound like that, you fucking idiot. He says, well, I tried to put a new tap in. I learned I still have no idea how to do anything manual labor related. Well, sorry. It's Taco Tuesday. That's right. Taco Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Eat some beans and call it trade. Yeah, that's a good question for you, actually, SW. When you were putting your new tap in, did you try to put some beans on it? That'd probably do it. That'd probably solve it. Just take a fucking bucket of beans and dump it on it, and it just fixes it. If I just stop the leak. Yeah, there you go. Us Londoners like to tune in. We got to get, hey, SW, would you ever want to be on the show in the morning? Just so people can hear you? So people can hear what a real English accent sounds like instead of mine? Okay, we'll get you on one of these days. We got to get your mic turned up, though. Your mic is kind of quiet. We got to turn that thing up. Love to see it. Get some drinks in. Get some drinks in. Get some drinks in with fucking SW. Right? What are we drinking this morning? How's the accounts? I mean, I see a lot of green right there. They're not too bad. This is evaluation. We are carry the one. We're about $9,000 away from passing. Well, less. $7,000 away from passing. $6,500 away from passing in each account. So, any payouts brewing this week? Yeah, Lucid, baby. Check it out. Chickadee, check it out, baby. Let me pull that down. Look at this. Look at how delicious this is right here. Bang. Got our Lucid Black. This is going to be our second payout. We get to find out end of day. I did all the goals. I met all of the things that they wanted to see. So we go to payouts. Right? I've gotten 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. That was my very first payout, February 11th. That's almost a full month ago. And I got my second payout, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hey, and now, look at this. Bang. More. How do I see my calendar on these? Look at this. Look at Ripsy go. What's a red day? Never met her. That's right. Look at that. Even in February. You think you're going to find a red day in here? Not on my watch, Buckarooski. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Never met that red day. I don't know who you guys are talking about. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. No. We've been pretty lucky on our Lucid accounts. We'll call it luck. But here we are again. $636 today, baby. Unders? Oh, no way. No way, bro. Well, let's see. 971 quarters? 971 quarters? You unders are so lucky, bro. You guys are sick in the head. I'm even reluctant to pay that out to you guys. You fucking degens. All right, let's do it like this. I'm gonna do something real spooky like. Watch this. Watch this. I'm giving you 10 minutes for this one too. There you go. Yeah, I'm throwing you a curveball. What do you think about that shit, huh? The red one's blue? Oh, we got a retard. Here, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in a row? What are you, fucking blind? Yeah, but the red one's blue. Don't forget to buckle the strap on your helmet today, my friend. Don't forget. Yeah, but how much did you lose, bro? How much did you lose? I see these green days, but how much did you lose? It's funny. Chopper Gunner 9 kill streak. Yes, sir. We're coming. What's the nuke? How many days do I need to hit the nuke? Herbs, bro, you need to be on South Park. I would play Timmy. That would be me. That would literally be me. Guys, he's kidding. He was making a joke. Let's attack the other person. The cash craft investing. That guy's the retard. 25 days for the nuke? Okay. Let's do it. Hey, Ribs, can you explain how you find and use the point of control? Well, I use an indicator. It's on my screen right now. This one, visible range volume profile. You can copy all of my settings if you want. I don't know why you'd want to. But this is the clutch one, Rips key levels. That's the one that you really, really, really want. Rips key levels. It's a treat. Why is my blue not the right color here? Why is that not? I want it more vibrant. Forgot how to get like the color picker in here. I don't remember. Huh. Kick it with you. POC level, you bearish W. Sure. It's a great price of free. You know it, baby. Does Wealth Charts have that indicator? I mean, it's called Wealth Charts Levels. And they do have it. They made it for me for when I was speaking at one of their conferences. Month of club, I just did. Elite Turder. All right, Elite Turder, what's your name in there? Have you been in there before? Elite Turder. Ging, 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 ging. Have you been in there before? Clicks. Let me see. Clicks. You're not in there. What's Clicks TR? Is that your Instagram? Is that your X? Let me see. Checking on X. Nope, doesn't exist. Let's try Instagram. Instagram. Yeah, no. I need your Instagram or X name because I can't. You've never been in there before. If you give me that name, it's only for people who have been in there before. So if you drop me your Instagram or your Twitter name, then I can ship it straight to your face. Okay, perfect. My guy. Wee, 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 wee. All right, let's ship it straight to your face. And there you go, buddy. Congratulations. Good job with your channel puntos. That's everybody right now, I think. Yeah, we're still looking for Nut in Trader. He's gone. Price is still meandering around these parts. It's actually like nice if you're actively scalping this range and you're not too hungry. I think it's pretty good. You know, I think it's pretty good. It's the next level to watch. God, dude, these MC levels are so good. Above 959 quarters is 075 spot 50. S&Ps are perfectly trading right now. We're at 90 spot 50. Above that is 815 evens. Below 90 spot 50 is 67 evens. LRAP says, have some people visit and came on to catch you early and got in some bonus trades. Out for the day. Thanks for the pitches and catches. See ya. Thanks for being here, LRAP. By the way, on the leaderboard right now, you are currently number 3. Well done, pal. You're number 3. Cashies and Always Ready, number 1 and 2 respectively, but you're number 3. Congratulations, my friend. You explain what MC levels are. MC stands for Motherfucker Chod. It's an Indian term. It's from the great streets of Bengalapur. And, you know, it's Motherfucker Bandar Chod is what it means. We don't have the B in there for some reason, but Bandar Chod. Bandar Chod. Yeah, that's what it means. It's from the old tale, as old as time, from the streets of Bangalore, or somewhere. I don't know. NQ sell entry. Good luck. I don't know when that was. 10 minutes? 3 minutes ago. Yeah, great sell. Good job. You got that for 20 points at least. First timer here. What? Give it up for Crowd Camp. Kraukamp. Thanks for being here, man. That means monkey. No way. I thought it meant good evening. GC finish, long finish for the day. Tradeify Lightning 1250 for contract. Nice. Yeah, you can still trade gold on Tradeify. I think I'm going to start my Tradeifys next week. Because I was in Tradeify jail for the last 4 weeks. I'm out this week, but I haven't, I haven't explored what's outside the jail cell yet. So, yeah, that'll be tail end of this week or next week. I'm just waiting on some things, baby, some things. All right, let's see. Still just going sideways here. We got 15 minutes and change until the market opens. Thank all 1,200 of you for tuning in this morning. This is great. We're having a fantastic time here. Classic Rips, I joined the stream. You open a Red Bull. It's a blue one, though. This is a blue bowl. We got blue bowls this morning. Sugar-free, of course. What's up, John? How are you? Good to see you with us. Yeah, I'm going to be probably in a bit of a holding pattern because there's going to be a lot of algorithms that turn on when the market opens, and that will be our time to pounce. Really get this thing. I tried the new Red Bull. What's it called? 959 quarters? Yep, of course. There she is. 959 quarters. It's a treat of a level. Apple and ginger. Do they make the apple one in sugar-free? I haven't checked in a while. Let me see here. I've had so much Red Bull, I've had no need to look. Red Bull, sugar-free, apple. Apple ginger. Wait, what is cherry sakura? Watashi wa nihongo ga wakarimasu ka? Cherry wa sakura. Sorry. It just came out of me out of nowhere. White peach. Interesting. White peach. Moto says, Rips, I don't care about your car. Stop the YouTube ad 5 times a video. Well, if you subbed, then it would stop. You have to sub, man. You gotta sub. If you don't sub, you're in trouble. Just click the sub button and it'll go away. More Red Bull. I'm working on it. I don't even know what number we're on. I think 3. Let's see here. I had to watch your video before the stream. I'm sorry, man. Fucking advertisements, dude. What do you want from me? Jesus. Jesus Cristo. I'm sorry. Jeez. I'll voice your concerns to management and let you know what they come back with. What's that? They said go fuck yourself. That's crazy. Sorry. It's management. They're assholes. What do you want from me? Morning, Rebs. Good morning, everyone. What's up, Vadim? I haven't seen you around these parts for a while. So they have sugar-free iced vanilla berry? That sounds like ass. Dude, why would it... Has anybody had the Red Bull sugar-free iced vanilla berry? That doesn't sound like a very good flavor. Yeah, you could always come to Kick, too. There's absolutely no ads on Kick. Ripsmod will help you with that one. This is it right here. I think this is it. Kick? Does that work? Socials? I don't know. Okay, well, yeah, that works too. Ripsmod just did it. I think they discontinued the coconut one. That's a shame because it was amazing. They had a coconut one? Red Bull Cocoa Nut? I gotta see this now. Red Bull Cocoa Nut. They still have that. Coconut berry. They just don't have sugar-free. Coconut berry. They still have it. How to be tight. Well, we'll be trying the liquid death here on stream pretty soon. I'm pretty excited to try it. Coconut is my fave. Why don't they make it sugar-free, though? What in the hell? Dude, Silent and W. 10 months? Holy gosh. Ryan says, I give myself a shot of NAD Plus and Lipo C in the ass, so I don't need energy drinks anymore. All right, Kick with Rich, 7 months. Let's go, baby. Sugar-free vanilla is your favorite? Maybe I should try it. Damn. We are going sideways right now. This is great if you're a range trading scalper, but I don't feel like overworking myself. Let's see if the open gives us any opportunities to trade. Watermelon's so good. So is the yellow edition. Never had the yeller, but I used to drink the watermelon one. I went through all the cases that I had of it, so there we are. Hopefully all of my failed Apex accounts get taken out of my TradeEvade because I'm ready to try them on TradeEvade again. I don't want to do them on NinjaTrader because I'm afraid of the copy trading. So I think, you know. Working on passing my first Lucid eval. Let's go, Croc. Which one did you pick? Which account are you trading in right now? Yeah, we don't really have any important news coming out today. The most important piece of news, I think, comes in the form of an auction. Yeah, it's a 3-year note auction. We get the WASDs today, which is, you know, who cares? Grains. Yeah, existing home sales at 10, but nobody cares. Like, it will not move the market. 50K black account. Wow. You've been having that thing for a minute. Take it slow, baby. I still have my Lucid Black accounts, but I've been trading them for the last 9 days. Gold ready to rip? Let's see. Is she now? Wow, I mean, it's been ripping. Dude, you're the first person to say something about gold. This is the easiest buy and just fucking hold shit in the world. What are we doing? Why aren't we trading this shit? What are you doing? Good Lord. It's crazy to me that copy trading is still messy on Ninja. You'd assume they'd fix that after merging with TradeEvade. Nah, they're too busy, man. I don't get it either, man. Kraken bought them, right? Kraken's got billions. But they're like, nah, we're good. You guys deal with that shit. Not our problem. Talk to management. John says, I needed that Asian racism this morning. I didn't know that me speaking Japanese was racist. I thought it was accomplished, especially since I was speaking in a perfect Japanese accent. You call it racism. I call it perfection in learning, my friend. Kraken for access to the Fed, deep pockets now? Maybe. Yakuza, did you think it was good? Watashi wa nihongo ga wakarimasu ka? See? Watashi wa nihongo ga... No. Watashi wa nihongo ga wakarimasu. Wakarimasu! See? See? Good, good. Thank you. That's what I thought. That's Japanese, baby. If you don't like it, learn the language. See, great comms. Great comms. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I still have not been to Japan. I need to get out to Japan so at least I can go to all the Chrome Hearts there. You know? Tokyo is Little America. Is it really? We are pushing up here to 25,000 in a jiffy here, but we have 6 minutes until we go. Doing Hawaii in a few weeks and planning for Japan for the fall, but I'm lucky my brother-in-law lived there for a few years, so I get to built-in tour guide. Nice. Does he speak the language? If he doesn't, I can teach him. No problem. I got you. He does? Wow. Tell him to tune in. We speak a lot of Japanese on this stream. It's a fact, baby. Do you trade live account or prop? Last year, if you want to see all of my highlights from trading my live account, I only traded my cash account last year. This year, we're only trading prop firm accounts. Dude, this thing is ripping! Let's see the channel points gamble. Let's see if I fooled you guys. Yes, I did. Ha ha! Ripsy gotcha. How do you say the aboves are taking this one? I wouldn't know. I have no idea. Or how do you say it in now Chinese? Mandarin. Anybody speak Mandarin here? There's Potaqua is Youngwin. I can't remember now. Okay. Youngwin. It's close, right? I'm trying. Chinese is way harder than Japanese, I'll tell you that. It's way harder. Because there's Potaqua, which is like the proper way, and there's Youngwin. And the way that your inflections are everything. Good try, yeah. I mean, dude, I have to like listen to Chinese for a long time for my dialect to sound not like an idiot. Cantonese is tougher than Chinese? Are you talking about like Mandarin versus Cantonese? Most people speak Mandarin. First timer here, does he always speak Chinese? Oh, it's funny. Does your money management change from trading prop to live broker? I ask because I do well on prop and get payouts, but when it comes to live broker, I struggle and blow up. You should not be trading on a live broker. You should not be trading a cash account. Do not trade a cash account. Do not do it. All my trading comms are in Chinese. Oh, man. Why not? Why not what? You can't have an open-ended question. Farsi. Aruz pisharuz takhabra sataram. Or is that Arabic? Hold on. That might have just been some Arabic. Busbede. Busbede. Sorry, that might have been Arabic first. Oh, the whole thing was Farsi. All right, well then we're good. Oh, there's my other Persian friend in here. Hello, how are you? Busbede Baba. There you go. Can we get some Big Latin? Oinkus Maximus. Your name is Reza? Well, hey, there you go. Reza is definitely very much a Persian name. How about that? Hey, Ribs. Hey, chat. Fellas, ladies, have a great stream today, Ribs, brother. And good luck with the gamble later. Thank you, Johnny Mac. Ribs likes wearing Amiri clothing, so he's a supporter of Persian. They have great prices for Amiri. Fantastic prices. You're in love with Las Vegas? Isn't it the best? Wait, where are you staying, Johnny Mac? I've never been more confused to stream. I'm sorry. Lo siento. Mentally preparing myself to be 6'4" in Japan. Damn, dude, I didn't know you're that tall. That's super tall. 6'4" is, you're a giant. My God. All right, 1 minute, inside 1 minute. Buckle in, buckle rooskies. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here we go, here we go. This is like, it goes straight to trading music when we're about to trade. Good luck, everybody. I'm seeing some green candles starting to emerge from the Mag 7, except for Apple. Yeah, Apple. Inside 30 seconds now. Be careful. The British accent is on point today. Sir, I don't think so. I disagree with you. It rarely is ever. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go time. Holy smokes. NQ popping a boner. Microsoft down. Apple down. And that's it. Everything else up. Nvidia through the VWAP. Can it hold? I have no position on. I am flat. I'm sure somebody caught that boner off the rip. That was insane. Captain insane. Almost 100 points already. Jesus. Jibbity Christmas. Pushing back into the overnight session midpoint right now. The previous 4-hour mid. I mean, I'm guessing it's going to go for like 75 here. It's got to, right? 100 points, even 100 points. I feel like that's what the algorithm wants. And we shall serve the algorithm. Apple is recovering. Microsoft pulling back heavily. Microsoft's so weak here. I don't know why. Somebody's rotating the fuck out of Microsoft. So. No trades off the open yet. I'm not touching my Lucid. Those are locked because I'm getting a payout tonight during Globex. So that'll be fun to tune into. We're still just hanging around the midpoint. They just redid the algo. Yeah, man. It's so funny that's like unironically spoken. I know not by you, but I'm just saying by other retards in the space. They changed the algorithm, man. And they're serious. It's so funny. Nice. Cashish, $3,600 to the dome. Get some chrome for your dome. Make them sweat like Keith. Look at you go. So 75 still hasn't been taken out yet. They're pulling back here to 6,800 in the S&Ps, ever so slightly. I'm going long here, actually. I want to see 75 traded out with Fury. Fire and Fury here. There it is, 75 getting traded out with Fire and Fury. Beautiful, beautiful. A slight pullback. Not a lot of sellers yet. Adding right here. Want to add to a pullback all the way at 50 if we can get it. Watching here. Overhead supply coming in like a motherfucker at 50s. Let's see if we get just a clear out above 60 here. Okay, added back in for a clear out above 60. Nice. Looking for 70s to trade. Peeling off our ads. And out on the rest. Beautiful. Hey, little PNC to the upside, you say? Yes, I do. Delicious. I love it. Who caught that? Who caught that? Come on. Johnny Mac says, I was in a nice Airbnb, but we're staying at the Hilton Grand for another 4 days, then moving to the Strip, but I need to check on what's going to be best. The Win, the Encore. I can answer those questions for you. I live here. Day one of my 150K Apex EOD PA account up 14.7. Damn, Kenny! Jebity, shit, Chris. That's insane. Give it up for Kenny. Up 1,472 doll hairs. Let's go, baby. God bless. You'll love to see it. Thank you, Kyle, you legend. Jiminy shit, miss. What is a strip club of Rip's choice? Well, it depends. If you're looking at the lunchtime buffet on Tuesdays, Sapphire is a real treat. If you want single mom's night, that's on Wednesday, starts at 7 o'clock. You go to Peppermint Hippo. And if you're looking for like, I'm talking like lips that hit the floor, that's usually Thursday mornings around 9 a.m. at Peppermint. I'm talking about real draggers. You know, the ones that are like floor moppers. Yeah, the wizards leave hours. Okay. Bring it back in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Okay. So we're up $6,200 on each of these accounts, which is fantastic. It's just fabulous. Where's my... Doesn't show. No, whatever. Hey, Rips, thank you for the promo on Apex. I have 7 PAs on day 2, up 7K. Move to trading micros made all the difference. Looking for my first payout in 3 days, protecting capital. Let's go. Give it up for Crypto Brando. Let's go, baby. I'm not going to read any of that chat. It's just terrible. You guys are so bad. Every single time I think I could top you, and then you guys just top me. It's crazy. Market is going a little bit sideways. Sideweezy for sheezy here. I'm going to put my stream deck back on my desk. Okay, we are coming down here. Ripspot, where you been? I literally just read that. Psycho. Past 5, Lucid's nice. What are you trading there, Sander? Dimension says off to work. Thanks for the stream, Rips. Good trading, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. We have the best community, don't we? It's not like today was easy, by the way. It's not like these trades are easy. We're just trading schmurt. We're just being smart about it. Being patient, waiting. We're getting like nice micro trades. Like micro scalping around a range is just my favorite thing to do. It's been nice. It's been nice. I mean, you look at the market and you're like, wait, how did you make points in this market? I know, right? It's crazy. Look at it. This is how we made all of our points today. Where's my thing? Look at that. Made all of our points in that. Obviously, I would have loved that, but, you know. Beggars can't be choosers, they say. But we can be alert and clicking the correct buttons during the correct time. Isn't it crazy how, like, the thing I love about the market is that you only really need to be right temporarily as a scalper, and you don't really have a lot of... Who cares what the market does after you're out, right? You know? The easy trades apparently is the Ripsy reversal. I agree. I do. It's about taking small points trades and not aim for 100 handles. I know it's hard to do for a lot of you folks out there, but reprogramming your mind to understand that the less interaction that you have in the market, the more likely it is that you will remain correct. Think about what I'm saying. Your time exposure in the market, if it's limited, increases your exposure to being on the correct side of the market. See? Big brain shit right there. Big brain shit. Rip to those who wanted to short 25,000, and then the market said, JK, Rafflecopter, how about 25 to the face? Get to the face. Riley says, I used to swing trade options. Man, it was so much more complicated and stressful, dude. It is. It's a lot easier to be right temporarily and then be out. All right, we're just little scavengers in these markets, right? Give me a little points up here. I'll buy it here if you'll sell it to me here. And then I'll sell it here if you'll buy it down here. You know, that's all you really need. Buying and selling trash. That's what we're doing. Sanders says, they say you can't time the market, but you can as long as you get out in time. Easier on smaller time frames, in my opinion. Yes, I agree with you 100%. 100%, man. That's really all there is to it. You just have to be patient. Patient and effective in your trade ideas. So I'm waiting for the market to figure out this volume shelf that we're creating right here. You see this? See how we're just priming this area right now and just building a big old shelf? Once we get out of that shelf, maybe we can start to anticipate something. But for the time being, I'm sitting on my hands. Well, my hands are floating right now to illustrate the point, but I don't have my stream deck in my lap. How we all doing out there? Are we WL or mid in chat? WL or mid? Curious what the temperature is. Kick says W's. You know there's a mid emoji now. If you guys want to say mid, there's a mid emoji. There you go. Gringo El Diablo got it. WW, okay. Mark Shave, okay. WL, mid, W. Push with the Pulse says mid. Mid kind of looks like Michigan, huh? Maybe there's some correlation there. Folks who live in Michigan, would you say it's mid? W, 20.9 Q, let's go. Let's go. Been very patient for the last 20 minutes, but made $720. Very much winner chicken dinner. Let's go, Julius. Let's go, baby. Julius, did you hear that they're going to be checking IDs on Discord? I know you probably haven't heard this story, but did you know they're going to be checking IDs on Discord, man? It's crazy. Unders 1. Let's see, Sparky Trader. Let's see. You see the time? It's 9:40 right now. The bet is over at 9:46. I'm going to put you in a timeout for 1 minute so you can think about it. There you go. You can think about what you've done. There you go. Timed out for 1 minute. Now you can sit there and think about what you did. You liar. Man, I've hit a couple of day lips. Now trying my luck on 100K. Day lips. What? Huh? What are you talking about? Huh? This is a decision box on price. We were just talking about boxes. That's crazy. Oh, a couple of day licks, not lips, liquidations. Rips, is trading before 8:30 even worth it? Sure. I mean, if you have opportunity. I mean, look at gold. You're going to tell me that trading before 8:30 wasn't worth it? You could have taken it from 51.71 all the way up to 51.81 or 88 in this case. That seems like a pretty decent trade, you know? What's the line you have on your book map? This thing right here? This whole thing? Hold on. We're getting, well, hello. Somebody said something. Okay, G7 talking about releasing SPR reserves. Strategic pussy reserves? Wait, SBR? Strategic, what's SPR, SBR? I couldn't hear that right. Wouldn't that be SOR? Oh, petroleum. That makes a lot more sense. Told you guys, I'm retarded, man. Jorge says, blow up my account, which is the best deal? Lucid or TPT or Apex? SLR, that was a great car. Lucid, TPT, or Apex are all good. As long as you use code RIPS. Code RIPS will almost guarantee that you pass. And by guarantee, I mean there is no guarantee. Enoch says, Rips, I just locked myself out. Now I'm 3 weeks in a row in the green. Tweeted and shouted you out. Got a max payout yesterday and got another one after market close today. Cheers, I'm probs done for the day. Yeah. Enoch, I'm going to retweet the shit out of you right now, player. Look, here. Everyone, come see how good Nick looks. That's an Anchorman shout back. Bang. There you go. My man. I just posted it on my X account. Does rollover change up any of your strategy? Fuck yeah, it does. Dude, hell yeah. Blowing account after account. Well, you're sizing too much. You need to trade in the micros and start shooting for like multiple days to pass. Just because an account is 1 day to pass doesn't mean that's what you're supposed to do. Or even 2 days to pass. Even a 50% consistency. Or even a 40% consistency doesn't mean 3 days to pass. Like, you gotta go slow, man. The market's tricky. I showed you what happened when I tried to marry my bias on my alpha funded accounts yesterday. I blew the shit out of them and they had fucking tons of drawdown. I blew the shit out of those things. So, you know, a lot of it is probably your sizing, Jorge. So size down. Zealous 4K says, I'm short. I hope you covered, because the market has other plans right now. It's like, hold on. We heard that Zealous is short. Fuck him. Sorry. I'm making a joke at your expense. I hate that. Sorry. Points gonna be a close one. Yeah, dude, I set the best line for the points gambles. It's insane. I really do. Yeah, as long as you make a profit, I don't care. I'm not one of those streamers who's like, you got you right about your short. Like, dude, I just wanted to see you guys making money. Like, truly. If people are losing in here, I don't feel good about it. I want to see every single person who watches the stream winning. And if you aren't winning, talk about it. Let's see if we can fix it. Yes, I need the exact pronunciation, please. Yeah, this is not an easy open by any stretch of the imagination, which is why I was limited for the amount of points that I was going for in my little pitch and catch. I wasn't looking for big points. This is not a market where you can, like, dude, so here's the problem, right? Let's talk about this. You're short from up here. Maybe you added on these peaks, right? Because you're so confident. And then like down in this hole because we're breaking below the open print. Maybe you're adding here. And then like everybody who had that same MO, that modus operandi got fucked, right? Or maybe they didn't. Maybe they're holding to the top of this range still because they're still in the green. But if they didn't add too heavy down here. But this is the type of market where it's like, you know, if you're late to a move and you're getting yourself off sides, if you're not cognizant about what your average is based on what the average true range is of the market, you can get really fucked. For instance, like if you were adding or you opened a short on this break and then you're adding down here, you're completely underwater when we're pushing up here. So, I mean, you need to factor in this price action off the open and see where everybody is likely distributing their orders. And you can see that in the volume profile right here. This is where the distribution is. All right, Katie wants to be paid. All right, Katie, jeez. Fuck. It's always Katie. Trying to get paid every day. 12 3/4? Wow, you guys got so lucky? You guys got so lucky. Come on. All right, the unders win. I don't feel good about paying that out. Feels dirty. All right, let's do one for 10:06. Sounds like an advertisement for a new Harley Davidson. You want to sound louder? Get the new Harley. All right, here we go. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, we are back, baby. We are so back. We are so back. We are so back with these NASDAQ prices. Itching to grab a tiger by the tail off the open feels like it's going to be a rocket, and I hesitate. Still got runners. Amen. The NASDAQ has the best prices. I need to stop. Okay. I have a TPT account. No problem clearing evals, but keep blowing the pro accounts because there's trailing drawdown, brother. That's why. Trailing drawdown is very fucking hard. You need to size down into micros only. It's easier to pass the test accounts in TPT because there's no trailing drawdown, papa. Would you say that we have a larger spread on NQ right now? I mean, yeah, you got eyes. You can see it. 60s all the way up to 75. Like, it's a 100-point range right now. Nobody ever said it was going to be easy. It's such a shame for us to part. So, you got to remember that about NASDAQ. Nobody ever said this was easy. Drop TPT, tops up cheese on test, then Apex fucking after pass. Okay. Not much of a complete sentence, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Anybody know if TPT lets you copy trade with trade syncer? Yeah. As long as you don't have opposite sides of the trades. Wah, wah, wah. I burn more calories on these streams than at the gym. Well, hey, there you go. Is OpenPA is fugly? Yes, it is. This is not great. I'm just curious if we're going to be taking another trade here. I'm waiting. I got all the time in the world, NASDAQ. So do we. Everybody who's a Rips Raider in here, we all got time. Look at this distribution, though. This is like a perfect bell curve, almost. It's more heavily distributed to the downside here, which means that it's pretty likely that we're probably going to exchange higher and take out 80s at some point. I don't know when, but the market is telling us that there's likely a lot of chance that we're going to trade 80s. We haven't taken it out yet, but it wants to. Realistically, the upside target, oh my God, the fucking MC levels are so insane, brother. How? I was expecting to look and not see that, but man, 75 halves. 9, 12, and 3/4 up to 75 halves. What a fucking treat that is. It's unbelievable. It just keeps doing it. What chart are you trading? Like what instrument? What do you mean by that, Joe? What instrument are we trading or what? We're trading the NASDAQ futures right now. It's a regulated product on the CME. If you want to trade alongside with us, you can check out propfirms.gg, take the quiz and see which prop firm would be right for you. We are rolling. Downside target 959/4. Interesting. 959/4. MC levels are so fucking goated, bro. It's unbelievable. So ES. No. NASDAQ futures or NQ. Yes, Ripsmod, what do you want? Mohamedo says, sup, Rips. These prop accounts are a bunch of scams. Listen, buddy, is their entire business model is them taking your money when you lose? Tell me how they're good. I don't know, get better at trading and stop being a fucking bitch. Stop crying about being a fucking bitch and get better at trading. You ever heard that saying? It's called get good. Stop being such a lazy fucking clown and get good. It's bullshit, man. I paid for these props and I don't get free money. There's no such thing as a free lunch. I don't know what TikTok told you, you dumb shit, but there's no such thing as a free lunch. You know, when I started working, I started working when I fucking came outside of those meat flaps and I was like, where's my lunchbox? I'm ready to clock in. Where's the time clock? There's a visual for you. Where's my time card? I'm ready to punch the fuck in. You gotta work in this life, my friend. SW, knock it off. That was fucking fine. Get out of here. Like, bro, imagine crying about losing in trading. Yeah, no shit, brother. These prop firms are scams because I keep losing trades and then they keep taking away my accounts. Cool. It's working as designed. Mohamedo says you can learn on a personal account if you risk 1% to 2%. Okay, tell you what. I will allow you to DM me your results from the last 2 months with your broker statements. If you have the last 2 months that are positive in your broker statements where you're making more than $10,000 a month in your personal brokerage account, your cash account, I will wire you $100,000 today. You have 1 minute to do this. I will wire you $100,000 today to prove the point that you're a fucking retard. Ready? Go. Go. 60 seconds on the clock, please.
60 seconds starting now.
I don't make 10K a month, you idiot. But bro, you just told me it's so easy. 10K a month is a fucking paltry sum, by the way, to make it a personal cash account, you dipshit. Wow, looks like you already lost the challenge. What a shocker. This guy's complaining about prop firms. No fucking way. Just trade in a cash account. Bro, if you can't even make 10K in a cash account in a month, brother, I pay fucking 40K a month in fees on my personal cash account. You can talk about you can't even make 10 fucking K? What a dumb bitch you are. Coming in here talking all that noise, shitting on props because you suck dick at trading. I got a fucking bridge for you. It's very short. Why don't you take a long walk off that bitch? All right, existing home sales out here in 90 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready. Mohamedo says, you're only saying all this because you get paid when these brain dead idiots use your code. Hold on. Drop a W if you've taken a payout in the last 30 days. Drop a W if you've taken a payout in the last 30 days, please. Oh, shit. Look at how wrong you are, you fucking dumbass. Oh, wow. 3 payouts? Oh, my God. Holy shit. Weird. It's called applying yourself and working hard. Something you've never done, you complaining ass bitch. Get off TikTok, you broccoli-haired bitch. I can already tell that the guy's a Zoomer. Fucking bitching about how hard something is. You know, back in my day, we used to work in the coal mines. Not really. No, not really. Well, pending home sales, 20 seconds. Here we go. Get ready. Or sorry, existing home sales, not pending home sales. Existing home sales, we are expecting 3.88 million. Let's see. Good luck. Here we go. Ban the fuck stick? No. It's not as fun. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, why did you ban them, Ripsmod? Damn it. Ripsmod banned them. I'm gonna unban them. They're just funny to laugh at, so. You've had enough, ignore them, they're funny, dude. They're funny. They've been in here for a long time crying the same fucking story every single day. It's funny. Yeah, 4.09 million. The market is rolling. Ripspot is all about knock it off. All right, we are rolling here. Okay, we're coming down to 6-7 evens here. 6-7 evens in S&Ps. This is the level to watch, okay? Big old juicy level here. Same thing with the NASDAQ, 912 3/4. So these two levels are giving us quite a bit to think about here. Okay, bouncing at 6-7 evens, as it should. It's an MC level. Watching here on this bounce. Rips Mod loves his banhammer. You're telling me, Julius. He likes it a little bit too much sometimes. So there's your first bounce on the extension on the way down. 6-7 evens did catch the price. Shocker. I just didn't have the mustard to long. What was that? 6, 7. It did 6-6 spot 7-5. So one tick lower than what we're expecting there. So. Okay, back to 979 halves, maybe? Maybe? Let's see. That was one hell of a bounce, so everybody who was short just got frickadeesied on that. Let's see what happens in equities here. NASDAQ equities are still somewhat weak. I'm watching to see if we have an exchange. All right, I'm gonna try this short. I wanna see this sweeping below 50s. I'm back short in this market here. Looking for a sweep below 50s. We have one contract on. We're trading in our alpha futures prop firm accounts. These are our evaluation accounts. Looking for this to sweep below 50s and have this extension back down to 6-7 in the S&P. We rejected underneath 979 quarters, which is, there you go. That's what I was looking for. Give me the juice, baby. All right, sweet. Bang! Took it down to Chinatown. There we go. Nice little scalp to the downside there. That was a pitch and catch, yes, for those who are playing the home game. I got out early, I don't mind, but you know. There you go. Sorry for you guys all losing on these prop firms, man. Sorry for, you know, hey, short here, cover here kind of thing, you know. Horrible. Solid, did you get that one? No giveaway? Of course we're doing a giveaway. You out of here. Ripsy reversal might be in play here. I would not say so, no. The market's very, very weak. Everybody who's still here, y'all want to do a giveaway? I think I'm ready to do a giveaway, and then we can go gamble on stake. What do you think? I want that guy to win. What's his name? Mahamedo. I want that guy to win a free prop firm account. I hope he wins. Nice exchange today. He just does it for sport. See, that's why you don't ban him, Ripsmod. We need somebody to explode on every single day. I got blue balls for my rants. I need one person to explode on. Stake. Yeah. We gamble on stake after the trading. We're live on Kick this whole time. We've been live on Kick for 2 hours, right? Same amount of time that we've been live on YouTube, but we continue to stream on Kick after I shut off the YouTube stream. It's free to watch over there. It's always free to watch over there. And in fact, you know, if you're watching on Kick versus YouTube, you get channel points while you're watching, which is just better. Dude, the Ripsy reversal, holy shit. Am I a gamer? I used to be. I used to play a lot of Counter-Strike. That was my game of choice. I was never like good, but that's what I enjoyed doing. What a Ripsy reversal. Holy schmeckalations. Unbelievable. Okay, we got 30 seconds here until we pay it out. Is it going to go for more? Can we break 25,000? Let's see. The folks who bet the overs are getting smashed. Holy shit. Yeah, that's a long ways away. I don't think that it's going to get there unless we get a Trump tweet. You got 10 seconds to get there. I don't think it's going to happen, folks. Damn. It tried really hard, too. There it goes. Okay, well, the unders win. Sorry, folks. Unders are going to take that one home. Let's do Juan Moore at 1016 so you can recover some points if you lost some. Same price. We're doing 1 minute for the same exact price. I'm trying to make it easy for you. If you lost on that one, you can win on this one. Maybe he's into being exploded on by you. I've heard that before. It's a rumor that's going around. There was a Discord thread that was talking about that. Does anyone else like it when Rips explodes on me? And a lot of people were putting thumbs up emojis, so I don't know. Could be one of those things. Hey Rips, I'm stuck at a PA account for the last 2 months. Haven't taken a payout. My advice to get over this hurdle. What size are you trading? You just might be in that break-even stage of your trading, which is fine, dude. I was so happy when I reached that. You being break-even is better than you losing the account. Yeah, stick with it, man. Stick with it. I'd much rather see you not spending any money and having skin in the game than you like oversizing and blowing your PA, going back to eval, getting in the PA, blowing it. You're way better off. Like there's value in what you're doing right now. I know it's frustrating, bro. How do you think it was when I'm trading a cash account? And like, dude, I had people around me that were like, at least way back when, that were like crushing it. And I'm like sitting here and I'm like, I'm spinning my wheels. Up 10,000, down 10,000, up 10,000, down 10,000. So it's okay to be in that stage because think about it. What's the other side of that coin, right? You're at the midpoint of the coin right here. The other side is you're losing PAs and then you're having to buy new evaluations, pass them back to PA, losing it. I'd much rather get in your PA and then you're kind of back and forth and not losing it, but you're not making a payout. So Hockey Shane with the 10 months, my guy. Done for the day. 150 across 5 XFAs, grinding after that first payout. Let's go, Dane. Market is getting schmeckled. Okay, let's do a giveaway. It's giveaway time. It's giveaway time. All right, here we go. YouTubers, click this link for Lucid that Ripspot is going to drop right now. Click this link for Lucid. Here it comes. Here it comes. I'm giving away a free Lucid 50K account today. Okay, so click that Lucid coupon. Click that link, right? All right, Kicksters, you click it too. It's one word, okay? All right, everybody on the same page. Here's how this works. First of all, you're going to type in this word that I'm going to say right now. See where it says choose your path? Pass an eval and get funded in as little as 2 days or go straight to blank. And it's not hell. Type in that word. Straight to blank. There you go. It's just that easy. That's how hard it is to win a Ripsy giveaway. I know, right? Couldn't make it any easier if I tried. We are still rolling here. Hopefully that channel points gamble was easy enough for you guys. All right, look at this. The keyword is funded. Type in the word funded. One single time is all you need. Type in the word funded. You don't get multiple entries for typing it in more than once. Okay, part 2 of the giveaway. Make sure you have a Lucid account. You can sign up under that code there. Make sure you use code RIPS on your Lucid accounts. It gets you the best deals, 50% off for the first 2, 40% off for the next 4. It's amazing. Okay, part 3 of this giveaway. When you win, you have 60 seconds to claim it. You have to be following me on Instagram and Twitter. What's my Instagram account? Instagram.com/ripstrades. I'm going to go ahead and post something right now. This is going to be my trade setup. I'm going to post this on my Instagram story so you have something to look at. And post it. Post it up like a mailbox. What else? Okay, so when you do claim your giveaway win, this is a free account, I don't want you to blow it, you have to give me whatever your Instagram or X username is, and you have to be following me. That's it. It's just that easy. That's it. That's all you need to do. Okay? That's it. All right. We got 450 people in the giveaway. We're going to be rolling this very soon here. Very, very soon. Oh, the other thing is make sure you're caught up to the live, right? Make sure you're caught up to the stream. I see a lot of people that are watching the stream like in the rear. Make sure you're caught up to the live. You just click that little live button. It's in the bottom left of your viewport of your stream. That's it. That's it. We'll roll when we get to 500 people. Let's watch Bookmap in the meantime. Once we hit 500 participants, we will roll. That's a little bit less than half the people that are watching right now. Which Lucid account do you recommend? The Pro account is my favorite one. I am currently trading the Lucid Black accounts. We will be taking a payout live tonight on Globex 6 p.m. stream. The Globex 6 p.m. stream, we will be taking a payout live together, so do not miss that. We're going to time the payout, and we'll do a giveaway to celebrate the payout. It's going to be $9,000 to the bank. It's a $10,000 payout. They take 10%, so it's going to be $9,000 heading straight to the Bank of Ripsy. Straight to it. And we're going to be doing that live so you can see how fast Lucid pays out. I don't get any special treatment. Everybody else who takes payouts on Lucid, they get the same payout speed I do, and you got to see it to believe it. Pitch and catch 3 times a day, 904 accounts. Rips, you're amazing. You're amazing, Victor. Give it up for Victor, making it happen. $900 across 3 or 4 accounts. Beautiful. Beautifully done. You love to see it. I know I do. Lucid is the fastest, in my opinion. They're very, very fast. Let's see what happened with the channel gambles here. Is it time yet? 10:16? We got 3 more minutes. If the NASDAQ doesn't pull any tricks, I think the unders are going to win this one. 6 p.m. Eastern time tonight. Yes, 6 p.m. Eastern. All right, well, we got 484 people in the giveaway right now. If we can get 16 more, 14 more, we can roll, and then we'll go play some stake. That's the plan. 12 more to go. 12 more to go. Mm-hmm. 5 more to go. 2 more to go. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. This is for a free 50K Lucid account. Good luck. Good luck. Let's get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's see. Who's it going to be? A lot of kicksters. Oh, my gosh. Julius? Nope. Gerardo? Cube Q? Is it you? No way. No way. No way. Cube Q, the OG? No way. Cube Q? The OG of OGs? Let's see if they've fainted at their keyboard right now. Cube Q. All right, buddy. I'm gonna send it to you on the cord, okay? I'm gonna send it to you on the cord right now. Oh, by the way, would you prefer, what do you want? Tell me what you want first. Would you prefer, give it up for Cube Q, by the way. Would you prefer, what do you want? Do you want like a month of MC, or do you want the 50K account? It's a 50K Lucid account. It's your call, buddy. I don't care either way. Not gonna hurt my feelings. I'm waiting for you here. I think it's a pro. Let me see. It is. It's a 50K Lucid Pro account. What would you like? Your pick, brother. You like Broccoli's idea? What do you think? I fucking made of money over here? Get out of town. All right, I got you. I'm sending it to you on Discord, okay? Lucid Pro 50K eval. There you go. There you go. There you have it. All right, everybody. That was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for tuning in today on YouTube. I appreciate it. Do y'all have any questions before I go? We're going to be back live at 6 p.m. tonight. Anybody have any questions? We're going to continue streaming on Kick, as you know. I'm not ending. You're on Kick right now, brother. The stream is not going anywhere. Okay, there's your unders are getting paid out. That was an easy one, guys. You guys should have all bet the unders on that one. Okay, let's do a slot prediction now. We are doing a $1 cap today on the slot hunt. A $1 cap. No, 75-cent cap, okay? There you go. There's the new prediction. Can I get that deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? The deal for Lucid is 50% off your first 2 accounts, 40% off your next 4 accounts. It's using code RIPS. Very easy. Do you pay any fees when buying or selling? If you're trading in a cash account, you always are paying fees when you're buying and selling. Yes. What else, guys? What else? Prop firms are amazing. They are. What else? YouTubers, what else? What else we got? One last call out? To be honest, this is not the best price action, but it's distributing very nicely down here. Let's just say that. AIDS. Yes, indeed. What a disease. What about funded bids? Of course. Prop firm accounts, of course you pay commission. But, good cops. But yeah, you know, it's sim commissions, you know. Why you like the Lucid Pro? Because the rules are fantastic. The payout potential is fantastic. It's all good. Had to drop that in the YouTube chat. Thanks, Robinho. Trade copier works. Good. What? Wait, in what? Let me see. What do we got here, Broccoli? How do I close my trade up 150 and my P&L is 10 with negative 10 with 1 micro? I don't know. What are you trading on? Oh yeah, Trade C. It's insane, dude. It's incredible. Trade C is incredibly goated. Any other questions on YouTube before I close out the YouTube stream and continue streaming on Kick? Happy to go over anything you guys want to talk about. We got time, baby. We got time. Nothing but time. Nothing but time. Did I win the giveaway? Sadly, you did not, but there will be more giveaways this evening at 6 p.m. Eastern time. Why does Rips look sad? It's just, you know, it's just fucking so sad today, man. All right, YouTubers, we're going to go play some Stake on Kick. Oh, wait, just subscribe to your oh, it's Lido. Lido. All right, YouTubers, I'll see you at 6 p.m. tonight. Be good. Be safe out there. Take care.